Because of e-commerce, suppliers are able to easily identify their people who need demand. And there are other economies of scale. Matlab economies of scale, matlab like for example, uh, like whatever cost is there, like for example, warehousing cost, etc., or middleman cost, that can be saved. Now, talking about other benefits, I don't need to advertise. The moment somebody searches, they always identify my product also if I am listed. So advertising cost is saved a lot. And when it comes to barriers of entry, there is nothing like entry barrier. You must have studied small firms have a lot of barriers of entry because of the competition, etc. Like for example, retailers, if they want to sell, also they can get listed with Amazon. You can sell with Amazon also easily. So you can easily enter the market, exit as and when you please. Now talking about other benefits, you don't need to find out strategies. Amazon में क्या facility है? For example, supposing you want to sell something, all that you need to do is there is another this thing. Amazon में ही आप जाके देखो, sell with Amazon करके एक है. You enable, you show them, I mean, you register yourself with that, keying in your address, advertise your post pictures of all the products that you want to sell. If somebody is in need of that product, they are going to demand it. And when they demand it, the person who picks up comes to your place. He asks you to keep it ready. They share a barcode, वो लगा के आप ready रख सकते हो. So the person comes, scans the barcode, and then takes it from your place. And it is shipped to the person who needs it in wherever he is across the globe. And once he purchases, pays the money, आपके account में credit हो जाता है. Therefore, you don't have to employ any labor. All that you do is you pay a minimal amount to Amazon. It charges its commission, which is minimum. And then, wherein if you had set up a business, you might need somebody to deliver the product, you might need somebody to advertise the product, etc. Right? ये सब आपको बहुत बच जाता है if you're selling it through one of these e-commerce strategies. Apart from that, but e-commerce has its own disadvantages. As I said, perishables cannot be sold through e-commerce. They may get spoiled. You don't know how it comes. And nobody gives a warranty, and they sometimes don't ship also. It has its own hidden costs, like this cost of convenience. And online purchases में क्या होता है? They have to ship, they have to restock all these things. They will load it on the customer. Sometimes, as I told you, perishables and breakables do not have any warranty. And some products are not returnable also to Amazon. Like if you order pickle and all those things, sometimes they say terms and conditions. Terms and conditions में लिखा रहता है. Quite often we tend to ignore reading all those things. But some products are not returnable to Amazon, right? This, I mean, with any other e-commerce app also that way. And then there is lack of privacy. See, who wants what kind of data they are going to be collecting. The data when you are going to be shopping, record रहता है data का, database save किया रहता है. So your habits, your consumption pattern, whatever you have purchased, etc., they save it, and they keep sending you emails, or they keep calling you for all possible. कभी कभी junk calls कितने आते हैं आपको? It is because of all these lack of security. Today, if you go to some say a bank, another bank will keep calling you. Yeah, वो bank का ही employee. Do you want to transact in stock? All these are because of the database that they have stored, and it is all shared, right? And apart from that, security wise also, it is not. Sometimes, we keep listening to all these credit card scam, ATM frauds, all these things. What are they? They are a result of all these e-commerce. Somewhere you would have swiped the card, वो कहीं पॉइंट ऑफ सेल में जब स्वाइप किया रहता है, वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है, and somebody else uses your credit card and then purchases, makes a huge amount purchase, and then leaves you with a debt. So these are all a result of lack of security. The database is all shared everywhere, and it is also misused at times. Apart from that, network unreliability. Sometimes you may have to have high amount of connectivity. Connectivity issues की वजह से you may not be able to key in what you need exactly, and this may result in faulty purchase or any kind of, like, if there is weak network, you may not be able to have access to e-commerce. And if it is going to be high amount of traffic, like for example, if it is raining very badly, you order something from Swiggy, he may not get it on time, or he may say, I am not going to be delivering it. वो वहाँ पे we regret your inconvenience. Swiggy does not deliver it to these areas, right? All these are disadvantages. Apart from that, even sometimes services are not proper. They may not resolve your complaints. They may not repay your money on time. There have been experiences of people who have not received their refund on time. These are not with these kind of popular apps, but there are apps wherein through the app you purchase or through their website you purchase. And when you return, you don't get the money back. They don't attend customer calls, or any kind of complaints are not resolved. All these things happen. Any doubts so far? Just to have a recap of what we saw till now. We were saying, what is e-commerce? How is it different from traditional commerce? What are the advantages of e-commerce to customers? What are the advantages of e-commerce to business houses? And what were the disadvantages of e-commerce? So with that, we will finish today's session and resume in the next session.